boxes. One box contains 512 snake pills, and the other contains 512, which means over 1,000 snake pills. Everyone burns them downstairs.
तो
But what
चैनल
are we
को
going to do
सब्सक्राइब
today?
करें।
Look here, guys, there are so many forests around, and we're going to find a snake burrow in this forest and burn these pills inside the snake burrow. Let's see, guys, what kind of an anaconda comes out of it and what kind of reaction occurs. So, first of all, we have to find the burrow here. So, let's quickly start looking for the burrow.
तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। ओहो,
Come on.
तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। ओहो,
Guys, look here, there's a huge burrow, and maybe guys, there could be a snake in it, and another burrow is attached here.
तो
But
चैनल
guys,
को
look
सब्सक्राइब
next to it,
करें।
there's water too. So I hope there might be a snake inside, guys, or maybe not, because it can attach to water.
ओहो,
So let's find another burrow. Guys, I found a burrow here, and guys, there are a few
तो चैनल
snakes
को
around here.
सब्सक्राइब
So I
करें।
think this would be a great place to burn snake fire. So let's quickly open it and burn it inside.
ओहो, तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। ओहो, तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।
Taking out a
ओहो,
total of 170 packets, and after taking out 30 more packets, there will be a total of 200 packets. That's a total of 2,000
तो चैनल को
fires. And
सब्सक्राइब
look here,
करें।
guys, these fires are quite small. But guys, this little bomb is like a big explosion. Look how small it is. But brother, it makes a huge explosion. So quickly take out 30 more packets. And finally, guys, we've taken out a total of 200 packets. And guys, there are 5 in each packet. So, that's
तो
a total
चैनल को
of 2,000
सब्सक्राइब
fires
करें।
here. And man, look how much garbage has come in. So let's put it all aside, and here we're going to burn all 2,000 fire snakes inside this wheel. So let's quickly light it and see what kind of an anaconda comes out of it. We put black powder inside it so it
तो
works
चैनल को
well.
सब्सक्राइब करें।
So we put some black powder here and start adding the snake pellet, and then we put the black powder inside it.
ओहो,
Nice, let's. Put black powder inside it so it burns well.
तो चैनल को
And
सब्सक्राइब
now let's
करें।
light it.
ओहो,
Oh man,
तो चैनल को
slowly,
सब्सक्राइब
guys,
करें।
it grows and an anaconda-like snake emerges.
ओहो,
And guys, you can see how much smoke is coming out of it. Oh man, here you can see how big an anaconda has come out, and it's very
तो
hot.
चैनल को सब्सक्राइब
Guys,
करें।
this was my first experience of lighting a snake pellet, and what I saw in life was absolutely amazing. Let's take this anaconda in our hands and guys, it broke.